This is the tallest slide ever! So this is what space looks like. Ooh, these clouds are so fluffy! And they float just like me! SpongeBob, I'm home.
I'm feeling better already.
To crashes into thy princess's window.
Fear not, my Whaley. It is Sir SpongeBob of Bikini Bottom, here to rescue you with his loyal squire, Patrick.
Square Patrick? I thought you were the square one. Unless, have I been SpongeBob all along?
Stop it, your childish shenanigans! Oh, forget it. Listen, SpongeBob, I'm about to throw the most choral slumber party the sea has ever seen. There's going to be cake and a band and popular girls from all corners of the realm, and they're all coming to celebrate their love for me, the princess. I'm not going anywhere.
This rescue might take a little longer than I was expecting, Patrick.
You should call me SpongeBob.
Oh, whatever. Bye.
Oh! No!
What a huge rock!
Looks more like a castle to me.
Well, whatever it is, I'd sure like to live under it. That's a long way down. Hey, maybe you should try being a balloon too, SpongeBob. It's pretty windy up here.
It's windy up here. Don't blow away. It's all in the zone. You really are my best friend. Sure is pretty from up here.
Yeah, and a lot less confusing, too.
You're right. It would be a pain in the barnacle to drop down there again. I'm feeling better already. I think there's a way through now. Barnacles, we broke the bubble wand. How are we gonna get home now and save Pearl?
No problem. We can fix it easy peasy. All you gotta do is find all the pieces, lick them, stick them back together. Cassandra won't even notice.
Patrick, that's brilliant! Let's hope it works on magic bubble wands.
I will. Just like when I fixed your TV. And your bookshelf. And Gary's food bowl.
Got it!
Oh yeah, I licked your refrigerator back together. I shouldn't have to explain how it came apart in the first place, though.
Ooh, more jelly!
Probably good. I also fixed your kitchen sink with a little licking stick. That faucet was leaking for months. I licked your windows back together once, too. Oh, that hurt. But you'd never know I smashed it with a hammer. Oh, I just remembered. I also licked your fireplace back together. That was spicy.
Ooh, more jelly!
Looks like that should be open now.
No more chafing. Look! A piece of the bubble wand!
I licked and sticked your garage door back together, too. Don't open that door. Probably good.
Ooh, more jelly!
Last time I take the scenic route.
Looks right to me.
I hate this maze. Why do I always come here? I think there's a way through now. These guys have to get along. Get it?
Are you okay? Whatever do you think it is?
That should cover my buns.
should look in another part of the castle? This part is confusing.
Great idea. Now, where's the next part of the castle? The Krusty Krab pizza is the pizza for you and me.
Where doth you think you are going?
There are options? I want to go to Finland.
Only those who come bearing invitations may enter. And even then, there's no boys allowed. Unless they're in the band.
Are you in the band?
Tragically, my duties robbeth the princess of the elevating experience that are my melodies. I am forced to cast other, more mediocre talents. And tell sea urchins like yourself to get out of here.
Maybe this is the entrance to the castle. We should come back with all the bubble wand pieces and a compass. Put that jelly in my belly.
Look, Patrick, I think there's some animal trapped in this cage.
Oh boy, maybe it's a giraffe!
We should probably free it from its cage, whatever it is. Come hither, adorable steed. I got the first key. Looks like this will be the key to our success. Order up! No more cheating. Sorry, nothing personal.
I saw something shiny at the bottom of the well! Bet it's something cool, like, a hay penny.
Ouch! Did you hear? New shipment of Pro Aging Cream just went out.
Those bandits have really cornered the old lady market.
I knew I'd key in on this one soon.
squishy. Put that jelly in my belly. Just one more key, SpongeBob. That's all the keys! Now we can go free the animal!
Look, Patrick. Have you ever seen such a majestic creature? The colorful mane, the sparkly eyes, and that piece of bubble wand in its mouth. Quick! We have to catch it!
Don't let the unicorn get away! It's too pretty!
Sticky sweet! Wait, unicorn! Come back! Come back!
Follow that unicorn! Wow, it is really fast.
Patrick, look! That old house looks like it belongs to a witch. Maybe the unicorn is hiding behind it.
taste, please?
Who's a good girl? You are! You are! Salutations, Yellow Knight. Isn't she a good girl? I'm Twitchy the Witchy. And what brings you to my cabin in the woods?
Greetings, Miss Witchy. I'm Sir SpongeBob. My balloon buddy Patrick and I followed your, handsome pet because it took something of ours. Could you maybe convince it to give it back?
Sorry, but if Rainbow finds it, I keep it. However, I might trade it for some of that miraculous Wrinkly's Pro-Aging Cream my coven has been buzzing about. They say it can wrinkle your skin enough to make you look twice your age.
You got it, Twitchy. One batch of Wrinkly's Pro-Aging Cream coming right up. How hard can it be to pick up some cosmetics?
It can only be found in the most dangerous part of the woods, along the banks of the rushing river of Meanderson. There should be some left from the last shipment the baby-faced bandits raided. Fill up this bucket and I may trade you for it.
You got it.
I just want a little taste, please.
Gee, that river looks so scenic.
I could just swim in it. I probably couldn't swim out of it, though. We're getting closer to that mayonnaise. I can smell it.
Patrick, it's beauty cream. Yes, I'll take that. Yes, I'll take that.
Don't hurt my friend.
That should cover my buns. Look at me go!
when she sees how ugly this will make her.
You're still alive? Good for ye. The last few heroes I sent out for cream never returned. The wrinkling hath begun. Good job, you two. Now beat it.
Oh, thank you, ma'am. But first, we have a wand to repair.
Hand me that thing so I can fix it and you can leave me alone. Amateurs. Now get lost.
What a pro.
Oh, I could have licked that just as good as her. I don't care, I'm gonna do it anyway. So gooey.
Hear ye, hear ye. With the most excellent slumber party of all time almost upon us, the Princess of Wales calls on the kingdom's bards to heed her casting, call. There is space yet for 2 poets who can earn the approval of her royal party planners' unforgiving eardrums.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking, Patrick?
Definitely! But where are we gonna find a school bus full of mayonnaise on such short notice?
What? No, I meant we should try out for the band so we can get into the castle and save Pearl.
Oh yeah! That's what I meant, too.
That Harold is so helpful, I bet his nickname is Help Bob SquarePants. Ah.
Ooh, the auditions are starting soon. Goody!
Hey, but you can't pop all the balloons in the courtyard faster than me. I'm the courtyard balloon popping champion.
I really gotta keep an eye on you.
Oh, man. All right. I guess you went fair and square.
I just want a little taste, please.
Pillows, get your pillows. Rest your head. Throw them at a
I can't wait for the
friend.
auditions to start. I like to boo from the shadows.
Another bard, another migraine. But what doesn't one sacrifice for the crown? one's talent, one's pride, one's eardrums. But our royal blowhole decreed that not one of her subjects is to be turned away. Because everybody's got a talent. Thou have until I follow the sleep of thine mediocrity to earn my admiration. Amazeth me. Regretfully, the yellow sponge and his annoying balloon shall be royal bards at the princess's most excellent slumber party. The audience seemed to like their, music. And besides, I have already rejected all the other contestants. Thou may enter the castle. Don't screw it up.
The Krusty Krab pizza is the pizza for you and me.
So gooey.
That innocent jelly is not so innocent. You in my pocket. Me. I'm feeling better already.
What if one of these beds is better than mine? I'll have to sleep on all of them to find out.
You'd think they'd at least tidy up around here for such a momentous occasion. That can must taste pretty good.
So gooey.
Oh, it's Princess Pearl. I think something's wrong.
Yeah, she looks like a real sad sack.
These weird, squishy monsters ruined my slumber party. The waiting staff have all fled. Who will serve my guests their well-earned cake slices?
You?
As if I'm a princess, you royal doofus. That would be totally uncoral.
Gosh, Princess Pearl, I'm sorry. Don't worry, Patrick and I will serve the epic cake.
Let them eat cake.
This buffet is all you can beat.
Throw a ball without Tootsie, huh? Well, I'll show you.
Order up! Your cake, good sir.
Hocus pocus, now you're slowest.
Order up! Your cake, good sir. This cake is fragile. We have...
May I have this dance?
This buffet is all you can beat. Bon appetit! This buffet is all you can beat. This buffet is all you can... Bon appetit!
Let me eat cake!
No, Patrick, enjoy! Fish paste!
I think you two need a little break from the dance floor.
Bon appetit! Talk about divide and conquer!
Good.
Hold it right there, soft shoe. Hold it right there, soft shoe.
This cake is fragile. We have to be careful. Enjoy!
Throw a ball without Tootsie, huh? Well, I'll show you. Throw a ball without Tootsie, huh? Well, I'll show you. May I have this dance?
SpongeBob, you did it! it! My slumber party was a success after all. Now let's get out of here. Maybe I can still make it to the sale at the mall.
Yeah, the mall. That's absolutely still there. Probably. Now then, I'll just use the magic bubble wand to whisk us away.
This music is terrible! Thankfully, a true bard is here now. Let the real festivity beginneth.
This taste.
Best party ever! I could totally hug you right now, but I don't want to pop you.
Yeah, I get that a lot.
I'm not a balloon. You can still hug me.
Okay, I guess you've earned it.
Ah! We did it, Patrick. Everyone is safely back in Bikini Bottom. Now we just need to find the Krusty Krab so I can go to work tomorrow.
Well, I wish I could go to work. This day off has been exhausting.
Just don't tell any of the popular kids at school that I hugged you. Now I have to go find my dad to make sure he's okay. With driving me to the mall. They're having a sale on princess dresses. Later!
That should cover my buns.
What flavor do you think it is?
Je vous déteste tout!
His coughing doesn't sound too good.
Well, if you ask me, I always eat something very rough to sand down the cough.
Ooh, we could try that. But first, let's try something more refreshing. Where can we find some delicious slurpable beverages?